Okay, so I've had my skillet or my wok. It's been heating up. The oil's been heating up for about 10 minutes or so on medium high. I'm just gonna add the chicken breast pieces. Mm. Oh my goodness, smells so good. Smells delicious. I'm just gonna turn the heat up a little bit. Yes. Now, chicken breast cooks really fast, and you don't want to overcook it either, because then it's going to be so chewy and burnt, and nobody wants to eat that. So I'm just going to let this go a little bit more, maybe about 3 to 4 minutes, and then I'll start adding in my vegetables. This is my rice. I told you guys that I already made earlier. Basmati. It's my basmati rice, and I had it in the fridge, in the freezer actually. I put it in the freezer for about half an hour. I find that when you make fried rice and you freeze the rice or let the rice cool down, it's just better. I don't know why. It just is. That's just how I do it. Yeah, so chicken's cooking. Chicken breast is coming along really good. Oh my gosh, my kitchen smells amazing right now. And I'm not just saying that just to say, it really does smell amazing. The aromatic is really refreshing and nice. Mm, yes. So this is cooking. This is looking real good. So I'm gonna start adding in my seasoning now, so that everything can just hug each other, love each other, and kiss each other, and just smell good and come out delicious. Okay, so in here I have my finely chopped garlic, my onions. You know what? When I buy fried rice from the restaurants, I never see garlic in there or taste garlic or onions. I don't know. This must be a Caribbean thing. But yeah, this is how I like to make my fried rice. Put all that in there. Actually, stir this up a little bit. My the temperature on the stove right now is high. Remember, woks, when you're cooking in like these wok type of things, food cooks different, the temperature, everything. It's not the same as regular pans or pots. Yeah. Okay, so now I'm gonna add in my green seasoning. This is such an efficient way, and the green seasoning just lasts long. As you can ask, or say ask, it could last like anywhere from like a month to 2 months if you freeze it. But I like to keep mine in the fridge, so add that in there. Let it incorporate. Let it marinate. Let it marry. Let it just combine together for a delicious taste. Yeah, so I love cooking. I love trying new stuff, new recipes. A lot of stuff I learned to cook on my own also. Trial and error. Mmm, it smells so good. Mm. Okay, that's been going for a bit. So now what I'm going to do is I am going to add with my tiny little spoon that I just absolutely love. I'm going to, so my green onions and my cilantro, coriander, that's for like garnishing for the end. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my tomatoes, my thyme, and the Scotch bonnet pepper. Not too much of the Scotch bonnet pepper, just a little bit. So I know you guys are probably thinking, why doesn't she take the leaves off the what's it called, branches? The stick? Off the thyme? But I find that once everything is done, it just pulls off easier than just taking it off when it's like uncooked. So yes, this is looking really good. It's smelling even better. It's a Caribbean household, so I like the smell of my fresh seasoning. Ooh, that's looking real good right now. Okay, my rice is there. Let me show you guys what's happening in my wok for real, okay?